120 words per minute. Get ready. Start. In the reference order, both the learned judges have exhaustively considered the relevant portions of the regulations and several judgments, including the judgments to which we have already made reference. Stop. It would be advantageous to reproduce the relevant portion of the reference order written by Honorable Ashok Bhushan, within bracket as he then was bracket close, and so also by Honorable A.P. Sahi. Stop. While opening that N.B. Lal required reconsideration, Honorable Ashok Bhushan, within bracket as he then was bracket close, made the following observations in the referral order. Stop. Para. We are of the view that the providing 25% posts to be filled up by promotion of primary teachers of the primary institution is a regulation providing service conditions of the teachers and is a provision providing avenue for promotion to the primary teachers so that they may not stagnate nor they feel frustrated by not getting a career advancement, providing beneficial service conditions to the teachers of the minority institution is with the object of better administration and cannot be said to take away any right of management. Stop. The question as to whether teachers are entitled to be promoted or whether they are fit to be promoted is again in the domain of the management who is to effect promotion. Stop. It cannot be held that the management has right to make appointment only by direct recruitment on all the posts, permitting the management to make appointment on all the posts by direct recruitment only shall breed discontent in the existing teachers who look forward for such conditions of service which may provide for career advancement so that they may feel contented that give their best to the students. Stop. Para. In the above case, the division bench held that regulation 5 of chapter 2 not to be applicable to minority institution only on the ground that the said regulation has not been made specifically applicable to the minority institution. Stop. Para. We have already noted that scheme of the Act, 1921 and the regulations framed thereunder. Stop. There are several provisions in the regulations which have not been specifically made applicable to the minority institution, but they are applicable to the minority institution. Stop. In fact, in the Act, 1921, apart from the provisions providing for constitution of the selection committee of minority institution, there are no other provisions which have been made specifically applicable to the minority institution. Stop. Para. The observation of the division bench in N.B. Lal's case within bracket supra bracket close that chapter 2 regulation 5 has not been specifically made applicable to the minority institution, thus, needs a reconsideration since, there are several provisions in the regulations which have not been made applicable specifically to a minority institution, but they are applicable. For example, regulations 44 to 48. Stop. Para. The division bench in N.B. Lal's case within bracket supra bracket close has not referred to any other reason for not applying chapter 2 regulation 5. Stop. We are of the view that the said division bench judgment needs reconsideration, especially in view of the law laid down by the apex court in its several judgments as noted above, that regulations can be enforced against the minority institutions which relate to the conditions of service and which are beneficial to the teachers and promote excellence. Stop. Para. Honorable A.P. Sahi, while concurring with the view taken by Ashok Bhushan, observed as follows. Stop. Para. To make a provision for the promotion of a teacher to a higher grade in the same institution, which is state added comma can be treated to be regulatory without encroaching upon the right of the management to make an appointment of its own choice. Stop. The teacher comma who is seeking promotion is within the same institution, and his appointment as such did not offend article 30 of the constitution when he was inducted into the cadres of the institution. Stop. The management has a right to promote a teacher provided he is fit and eligible to be promoted. Stop. The teacher has a right to be considered, but the ultimate authority to appoint is with the